if a publisher on Amazon, right, it's no longer news that we all know that you have to pay 30% withholding rate, right? That's 30% tax, which simply means that after Amazon has deducted their royalty for paperback and your Kindle, they will still have to deduct 30% tax from you before sending your money to your Pioneer account, right? And when they send the money to your Pioneer account, Pioneer still charges you, right? And by the time you know it, you are getting little for all the efforts put into the work, right? And this can be discouraging, especially for beginners. Let's say on your Amazon KDP, you on your Amazon dashboard, you were excited to say like, wow, I just started, I made $20 this month. Fine, which is not bad for a starter. But at the end of the day, you realize that the money that actually gets you and might just be $5, and it can be discouraging, right? So in this video, I want to be showing you how to remove the 30% withholding rate from your account where you have to pay no tax, right? After Amazon has removed their royalty, they just send your full money to you, which you actually deserve, right? So without much of your time, this is your girl Olabisi Ashishana. I'm an online entrepreneur and a content creator, and on this channel I share tips, strategies, and opportunities you can leverage on to make money online. And if content like this interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel. And if you're just coming to my channel for the first time, I want to say you're welcome. And if you're returning subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. I do not take it for granted, right? So without wasting much of your time, the first and foremost thing you want to do is to head over to your Amazon KDP account, right? So once you're your Amazon KDP account, here is my Amazon KDP account, right? You want to come up here and come to your accounts. So this is my account here. Apparently this is a new account. So this is my account here. You want to come here and click on tax information, right? This works for both people that have actually filled that tax information before and those that have not filled that tax information before, right? You can see this 30% withholding rate, right? Shows that I filled this before, but I want to retake it, right? So I want to retake this. Okay, then come here and click on take interview. Okay, so once you're here, you just want to come here, click on this individual. I've taken this before, so click on no. Are you United States citizen? No. Yeah, click on no. Then we keep scrolling down. Then we'll move down. Country of citizenship. Click on Nigeria. That's your country. Now, this is where the issue is. This is where the challenge is, right? So this is your country of citizenship. Now, this is where the challenge is, right? Permanent address. This is where the challenge is. Now, this country of this is valid because, okay, I'm in Nigeria, but I can reside anywhere, right? I can reside in US, I can reside anywhere, right? So that's where you want to change this. Do you understand? So this country, come down here and click on South Africa. Type in South Africa. South Africa. Why South Africa? Fine. You don't have any address. You don't know anybody in South Africa. So just go to Google here and type in South Africa address, right? And you know that a lot of people will be copying the same address. The prevention means I copy this address. A lot of people might be copying this address. So you want to maybe go to the next page or the last page or the last page. Hope you understand, right? So that all of us will not be dropping the same address there. Do you understand? I hope you get what I'm saying. So let's go back to Amazon KDP and just go and drop this here. And just come and drop this here. Yeah, just drop this here. Right? So we're going down. City Victoria Island. Let's put that in. Victoria Island, then you want to put in the zip code, right? That's the zip code there. 101 101233, right? This zip code, they want to put it there. To put it there. So that's that about that. Then you want to come down here. This thing number, right? You can is that you put in, your new number, which is 10 digits, right? Or you just type in any number, right? Let's just type in numbers, right? But make sure it's 10 digits, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you see that? But most times, just make sure you put your name number, right? Make sure you put your name number. But you can also do this. This is also fly. So just click on continue. So you want to click on confirm here. You see, the selected country qualifies for 30 benefits. You can see that you are eligible for the 30 benefits. You can see that. So you're coming down here. So you want to click this here. I certify that I have got to sign. So click that there. Then your signature, your full name, your full name. You want to put that there. Then you want to save this. Save and preview. So if you got value from this video, do want to subscribe to this channel. So you're coming down here, then everything, all things being equal, right? You want to click submit form. Wow. Are you seeing this? You see, applicable withholding rate is 0.0%, right? So this is how you can successfully remove that 30% charges and get your full royalty. I'll show you interested, right? So if you got value from this video, do want to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video to a lot of publishers that you know that they'll be interested. We're all going through the same thing, right? Just share. Thank you very much.